Daikin ACs are known for their engineering. But honestly, a lot of the features that make a real difference, most people don't even notice or use them. And once you understand them, you'll actually start using your AC very differently. Hi, I am Pooja. Welcome to clearBuy. I spend most of my time working with home appliances, ACs, TVs, washing machines, testing them in real homes, not just on paper. And with Daikin ACs, I have noticed this again and again. There are some really useful features that people just skip over. So today, let's just go through them. Let's start with something most people never notice. Coanda airflow. This is genuinely unique to Daikin. Instead of blowing cold air straight down at you, the dual flaps stream cool air upwards along the ceiling. The air travels along the ceiling, avoids furniture and obstacles, and reaches the far wall before coming down. So every corner of the room gets even cooling, not just the area directly under the AC. And practically, this means you don't get that uncomfortable direct blast of cold air on your head. If you sit right under your AC, Daikin's Coanda handles that. Most people have this on their AC and don't realize why their Daikin feels different from other brands. Now this button can genuinely save you money, and most people have it but never press it. Econo Mode. Here is what it does. It limits the maximum power consumption of your AC. Basically, the AC runs at around 70% of its full capacity. You still get cooling, but the compressor doesn't push as hard. Less power drawn, lower electricity bill. When should you use it? Mild evenings, night time, or when you're running other high power appliances like a microwave or geyser on the same circuit. Econo Mode keeps the AC from tripping your MCB by capping its power draw. Genuinely useful, and one button press on the remote. Two features that do completely opposite things, and both are on your remote. Power chill. Press it and the AC cools about 20% faster than normal mode. The dual flaps flatten out, fan goes to maximum, compressor pushes hard, room cools down fast. This runs for about 20 minutes and then automatically goes back to your previous setting. Come home to your hot room, power chill. Don't set 16 degrees and wait. And the opposite, quiet operation. Available on selected models like the GTKL and Premium series. The AC optimizes airflow speed to keep noise as low as possible. Compressor runs gently, fan slows down. Perfect for bedrooms at night or when you are working from home and want zero disturbance. Now here is something that directly affects your health and almost nobody uses it. Clean technology. This is Daikin's self-cleaning system. After the AC runs, moisture naturally forms on the heat exchanger coil inside. Clean uses that condensation to wash away dust, bacteria and mold from the coil surface. Then dries it with a blower. All automatic. No technician needed. And the result? Odor-free, fresh airflow every time you turn on your AC. If your Daikin develops a musty smell, you are probably not using Clean. And paired with that, smell-proof operation. Available in both cool and dry modes. When you turn off the AC, this feature runs briefly to remove residual moisture and prevent mold growth inside the indoor unit. It's that musty smell prevention system. Small feature, but it makes a real difference after a few months of use. For night time, Daikin has a feature called Good Sleep Off Timer, and it's smarter than a regular timer. Here is how it works. Once you activate it, the AC gradually increases the set temperature by 0.5 degrees every 30 minutes. So if you set 24 degrees at 10 pm, by midnight it's 26 degrees and it continues adjusting. Your body naturally needs less cooling as the night gets colder. So instead of waking up freezing at 3 am, the AC adjusts with you and then it turns off on its own. This isn't just a timer, it's a sleep comfort system. Combine it with a quiet operation if your model has it and you have got the perfect night setup. Now these two are on Daikin's premium models, the JTKJ series specifically. But if you have them, you should absolutely be using them. Intelligent Eye. This is an infrared sensor built into the indoor unit. It detects human movement in the room. If nobody is there for a while, the AC automatically shifts to energy saving mode, adjusting temperature by about 2 degrees. When it detects your back, it returns to full cooling. You leave the room and forget to adjust, the AC does it for you. Over a full summer, the savings from this add up. And then there is streamer discharge technology, Daikin's patented air purification system. It releases high-speed electrons that break down bacteria, viruses, allergens, mold, and even hazardous chemical substances in the air. This is genuine air purification, not just a filter. It's one of the few AC purification systems acknowledged by the National Asthma Council. If you have a JTKL series Daikin, these two features alone make it worth every rupee. If your Daikin AC is an IoT enabled model like the FTKR or JTKJ series, you can control it through the Daikin mobile app. Beyond basic on or off and temperature, you get remote access from anywhere. Office, bedroom, another city. Change modes, set schedules, monitor operation. And it works with Google Home and Amazon Alexa for voice control. One thing to note, not all Daikin models come with Wi-Fi. The FTKR and JTKJ series have it. But budget models like the ATKL and MTKL don't have. Check your specific model before expecting app features. Self-diagnosis. If something goes wrong, the AC displays an error code on the remote screen. Note it down and share it with the technician. Saves time and guesswork. Daikin ACs have 7 sensors across the indoor and outdoor units, monitoring temperature, compressor health, and protecting critical components automatically. The indoor unit has DNNS anti-corrosion coating. This is a self-healing coating that protects the copper coils. If it gets scratched or chipped, the coating actually repairs itself. Great for coastal or polluted cities. Most models work stabilizer free, and some like FTKF series have a built-in stabilizer. Not just stabilizer free operation, but actual voltage regulation built into the AC. And all models support auto restart after power cuts. Don't forget to clean your filters every 2 to 3 weeks. Pull them out, wash, dry, put back. 2 minutes. So those are the features on your Daikin AC that you should actually be using. I am sure a few of these were completely new for you. I've got a full AC playlist where I've compared brands and shared the best ones budget-wise. I'll link it right here. And I've tagged the best recommended ACs in the description. Please check them out. If this helped, subscribe and hit that notification bell. It genuinely keeps clearBuy going. Until then, don't just buy. clearBuy. See you soon.